suck right here. All right, watch me gun it. Traction control kicking in. What's going on, YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video, I'm in the middle of the blizzard. See, got snow all on the window, snow on the windshield. Let me start the car out so I can get the snow off. Will the wipers auto activate? Probably not. Got auto sensing wipe. Oh, there we go. Up, too heavy. Up. Alright, let me get out of here. Up. Let's try. It's too much snow on there. Lots of snow. Let's see what we got. A bunch of snow on there. I'm out here in some running shoes. These are Gore-Tex though, waterproof, so they really help me out. But yeah, gonna let the car defrost for a little bit. I'm out here working right now. Supposed to get 6 to 8 inches of snow. Shout out to Race Car Friends, because he's in the sunny state of Florida. He's experiencing that Florida freedom, and I am out here experiencing this snow. And as you can see, shouldn't be that many people on the road. Schools are closed, but I'm still out here. So I'm about to take you all on the POV drive and me driving through this snow because it gets a little rough. And I'm gonna let you all see what it's like to drive through this stuff and tips on how to drive through it. So let me finish getting the snow out the car and let's hop into it. All the snow on the lift gate, it won't even lift up. It's weighing down. Been out here for a couple of hours. Definitely, okay, there we go. Had to lift it all the way up. All I got is this from the Chevy dealership. Acura ain't give me nothing. They normally do. But let me at least get this. The windows. I want to get where the, oh man, the wipers just gave up on me mid-wipe. Come on, y'all. Gotta hit the gym. Hopefully I ain't fry a motor into these things. Sometimes you just gotta improvise. I gotta use my sleeve of my coat. Get off the hood too, cause I don't like when people have stuff flying off their car. Doing it. Hey man, it's about to be good enough, man. I hit y'all with a much needed Topher courtesy wipe. Wipers really did just crap out. Come on, y'all. Still gonna go in individual mode, which is sport mode. All right, finally ready to go. Got to make sure you're not a hazard on the road, cause as you know, like this stuff, once the car gets warm, it'll harden up, turn into ice, and it'll slide right off the top of the car. So you want to get as much of that off your car as you can, and you don't want to make the world worse. Turn my rear defrost on. This car doesn't have a rear wiper, even though it's a hatchback. The Civic Type R does, but they decided they didn't need it on this car. They probably need it on this car. Just gonna say that. So can finally see out the top for the most part. I need to get a snow brush. Where's my snow brush? I don't know where my snow brush is. Might be in the wife's car. I had like 3, but yeah, POV time. Start her up. Just that fast. The windows need defrosting. Big time. Sport mode. Buckle up. E-brake off. Turn on the real defrost. Cheat code. All right, let's get out of here. Wonder what would happen if I just hit the e-brake. Oh. Oh wait, can I just hold it and do it? Nah, probably a fry some electronics. Let me not do that again. Little slippage, but we good. I can't see my other mirror either. Hey, should have did a better job. If I can shake this snow off. Snow, you just want to take your time, not stab on the throttle. I should be in comfort mode, because that way it cuts power. That's ideal, but I still want my power. And if you get stuck, or to prevent slippage, you should turn off traction control. This traction control is going to try to cut power as well. And once the tires are slipping, it's cutting power. But when you're slipping, you want more power so you can get going. Jeez Louise. So yeah, sometimes that's when it's okay to turn traction control completely off. Just defeat it so you can actually get traction. Especially when you get stuck, you gotta rock the car backwards and forward. So one thing that I do like to do when I'm in the snow is test how slick the roads are. And like, we're about to stop now. I kind of slam on the brakes. I was sliding, ABS kicked in. So yeah, the roads are slick. So that's just a little test, a little tidbit, so you can kind of gauge how the roads are. So should definitely be giving more distance, because I don't mind driving in snow. It's the other people in snow that drive like it's not snow out here, and they don't give more space. They drive the same speeds. With this kind of stuff, you got to slow down because it's less friction, because it's snow. Y'all know what snow is. Y'all know how snow makes a car behave. So just take extra time. That's it. So taking off in snow sometimes with cars with more horsepower, like first gear is kind of useless. So what you want to do is start off in second gear. And to do a second gear start, you got to add more throttle because the RPMs will want to drop in the manual faster. But you can do it. This is how I definitely take off. In my higher horsepower cars, I always start off in second gear. But this car, I can still start off in first. But if it's super slick, second gear is fine. One time I was on the sheet of ice, I had to start off in third. I had my Nissan pickup truck in the driveway. That thing was just slipping. All right, so second gear, got to rev up to like 2,500 almost to start off, because the revs are gonna want to drop faster. The heck is that noise? And you want to upshift quicker too, because you don't want to be in the power band driving in this. That'll make you slip and slide. So definitely upshift earlier. I'm in fifth gear now. I would normally be in fourth gear on this part. Another thing you want to do, I myself, I know how to handle the snow, but I always watch out for other people and what they're doing, because I know how to do what I'm doing, but you just got to make sure the people around you are doing what they're doing. So that's why it's very important to look out the rearview mirror. So if somebody's about to slide into you, you need to know how to maneuver that. So either pull into, like I can pull into the turning lane if it's safe, or just brace myself if there's nothing I can do. You gotta admit your fate sometime. They came out here, the crew did the roads pretty well. Turning lane kind of sucks, so you want to approach that with caution. Just going from a clean surface to an unclean surface. The snow gets up under the tires and the car will want to dance, so you gotta hold the steering wheel firm to make sure you got the car where it needs to go. So that can be tricky, and you're more prone to sliding. So you kind of want to slow down before you get into all that slop over there, so you can slow down. Because over there you might just slide, and you don't want to slide into oncoming traffic. God, slushing everywhere. My car is filthy now, bruh. That's gonna turn into ice too. Oh, that's gonna get inside the car, man. Not even on dog. That person should probably slow down. They got a Subaru though, so that's another thing. Man, like some cars have false courage, or not false courage. They can go, but you got to realize you got to be able to stop too. That's my biggest gripe, especially with trucks. They weigh more, so it's harder to stop because you got more weight. That's basic physics right there. So yeah, they can take off because they got four-wheel drive and all-wheel drive, but you got to be able to stop. I'll be able to stop better than they can. I might not be able to go as fast as they can, but stopping is what matters, and that's where you need to watch people. So this road isn't as clean as the road I just came off of. They haven't plowed it as recently. So you definitely want to stay in the lane where the snow is clear. You don't want to be driving on the island of snow in the middle, because you'll just be pushing more snow into the tire treads or the path that the cars have made, and just making the lane worse. So try to straddle the snow that's in the middle. Yeah, your mom knows how to straddle. And me, I don't even like driving on the side of cars. I know that 300 is rear wheel drive base, and it could fishtail, so I try to I don't like a car next to me when I'm driving and stuff like this. You see that van in front of me, they didn't get the snow off the roof of their car. There it goes, just fell off. It's going to continue to slide back and fall off. So that can cause dangers, because it's going to have snow blowing everywhere. Decreased visibility is adding to the snow that's in the lane, so that's just all bad. Like, get the snow off the top of your car. Another helpful thing to do while driving in the snow, and at any time, use your freaking turn indicator, man. Because if somebody's behind me, if I just hit on the brakes, they're not going to know what's going on. They could think it's an accident. So give people at least 3 blinks before you turn so they can prepare for me to turn. Oh, man, this road suck right here. All right. Watch me gun it. Traction control kicking in. Like I got to hold the wheel straight. That's not ideal. Don't drive like that. That's crazy. This road is not good at all right here. So I got to be careful. It's fun, though. If I had a handbrake, man, this car need a handbrake. Okay, traction control kicking in. Car dancing. We dancing out here. So you got a counter steer. You see that? So the car is understeering. It's not going where I want it to go. So I just got to slow down until it corrects itself. Got a curve right here. Got to take this slow. And I'm in 4th gear doing like 20. So I would normally be in like 2nd gear doing this. So I'm just coming down this road because I know it would be unplowed. So you just got to handle it with care. And hold on to that wheel. 2 hands on them. Because like I just showed y'all before, like the steering wheel is going to go wherever it goes. You got to guide it to where it needs to go in a front wheel drive vehicle. So if I need to turn right, I just need to hold the steering wheel right until I slow down and the understeer diminishes. See, I'm sliding right now, dang. So I'm going to give it even less throttle coming down here because this is real slick. I'm about to go back on the main road, skip this video. See if I can have some fun in the parking lot. Yeah, this thing dancing. Let me turn traction control to reduced and see what happens. Yeah, so far it's actually better because it's not cutting power when I need it, because I'm constantly sliding because I'm on snow and ice right now. So I need that power. I should probably turn it all the way off. We'll go in the parking lot and see what that be like. All right, ABS kicking in. I can feel it vibrating. Let me start off in 2nd. I'm in a lot of snow. All right, good here. Bro, it took this long for this light to just start flashing yellow. I'll wait till that car goes. Start off in 2nd again. Like I said, you want to give yourself distance. Start off in 2nd because I don't want to be sliding when I need to move. So upshifting helps you get more torque to the ground. If I was in 1st gear starting off like that, I'll just be sitting there spinning. Definitely want to take these curves. It's plowed here, so I should be good. But if it weren't plowed like that last street, good night. I need to slow down a lot. Not plowed right here. Take this turn aggressively. Oh, gotta turn traction control back on. Definitely want to take this slow. Ain't even plowed. Understeer. Tight turn right here. This is 2 lanes, but it's only 1, so let me be cautious. I don't know where my line's at. Dang, they ain't even plowed the mall parking lot. I can do some tings out here. And this is where a handbrake would come in handy for some fun, some hoonery. Oh dang, I'm just sliding. Yeah, let me get out of here before somebody do that into me. Straight up sliding right there. Dang, this ain't nothing but ice. Dang. Oh crap, a snowplow right there. Alright, get out of his way. Oh. Alright. Let me defeat this traction control and see what I can do. Alright, there we go. Oh, stuck. gotta go in reverse, gotta rock it forward. So this is why you need to be able to turn traction control off, because I would have just been sitting there with the throttle getting cut. This is why front wheel drive sucks. You can't do donuts. Let me see what I can do with the e-brake. Dang. See if I can do it now. You can kind of hold it, but I'm pretty sure I'm frying something. Let's see. Yeah, so this is understeer. I got the wheel all the way cut and just sitting there. See if we can do a rear wheel drive burnout or a donut. There it is. That's kind of lame though. Hope you all enjoyed that. First time ever doing burnouts and donuts in a front wheel drive car. And it looks weird, so you got to do it in reverse. Otherwise, you'll just understeer and crash into something. But yeah, take a look at this damage I got right here. Tire marks everywhere. I really hope that translated well on camera, because that was kind of fun on the inside. All right, I'm done here. Let me get out of here, because I got kicked out of here before with mall security. But let me get me some food and head on home. Updates should be coming to the channel soon, so stay tuned. So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, browse this channel, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.